amazing people, welcome to Dotted Dreams. This is a place where we will talk about styling, self-care, travel, podcast and literally everything. A little change in your shopping habits can create a lot of difference in your life. And yes, इसी के बारे में हम बात करने वाले हैं अपने आज इस वीडियो में. So do watch the video for full and do not forget to share, subscribe and like of course. Women are always excited and ready for shopping, isn't it? Over the period of time हमें realize भी नहीं होता कि हमने जितना कुछ खरीदा है हम उनको actually use कर रहे हैं कि नहीं. Yes, it happened to me too, and I got this realization few years back, and since that time I have been doing some practices which has really helped me to stop my impulsive shopping. अब मैं अपनी shopping को बहुत सोच समझ के करती हूँ. I have become a very wise and thoughtful shopper, and before buying anything, I really give my mind to it कि क्या मुझे उसकी ज़रूरत है, क्या मुझे उसे लेना चाहिए और मैं उसको कितने टाइम तक पहनने वाली हूँ. So there are some tips and tricks which helped me personally to stop my impulsive shopping habits, and I'm very sure it will really help you too. The first rule is organize your closet. Many a times हमें पता ही नहीं होता कि हमारे पास क्या क्या है. हम एक तरह के कपड़े खरीदते जाते हैं, but since हमने उनको अपने wardrobe में अच्छे से organize नहीं किया है, we don't come to know that what we have. So the first rule to stop the impulsive shopping habit is that organize your wardrobe amazingly. Like I personally organize my wardrobe. Like I keep my top wear at one place, the bottom wear at one place, Indian wears को एक जगह पे, so that in one look you have an idea कि what are the things which you already have. So the next time you come across a color or you come across a pattern, then you will quickly realize here I have a better option than this in my closet. So this is only possible when you know your closet properly. The second tip is to restyle your old clothes, the clothes which you already have. Fall in love with the clothes which you already have. And I did it. You know what I did? For shooting this video, I didn't shop anything whatever I am wearing. I have with me since years. Like this top I have since I think last 4-5 years, जिसको मैंने hardly 3-4 बार कहीं पहना था, और ये नेकलेस को मैं हमेशा पहनती थी अपने साड़ीज या इंडियन वेयर के साथ. सो आई डिसाइडेड कि लेट मी रीस्टाइल वॉट एवर आई हैव. सो दिस इज द बेस्ट वे इन विच यू कैन स्टॉप योर शॉपिंग हैबिट्स. आपके पास जो भी है उनको बाहर निकालिए. तो फर्स्ट स्टेप में जैसे मैंने बताया कि हम उनको ऑर्गेनाइज करेंगे, प्रॉपर्ली तरीके से रखेंगे. और सेकंड स्टेप में क्या है कि वी विल स्टार्ट मिक्स मैचिंग द थिंग्स टुगेदर. स्टार्ट पुटिंग ऑफ योर माइंड. यू कैन टेक लॉट ऑफ आइडियाज फ्रॉम पिंटरेस्ट. आई रियली लाइक पिंटरेस्ट. अपने एक आउटफिट को अपने हेयर और मेकअप के साथ एक डिफरेंट लुक दे सकते हो ऑल टुगेदर. सो आई रियली बिलीव इन इट एंड आई रियली एंजॉय. देयर इज सो मच ऑफ एक्साइटमेंट जब आप अपने वही पहने हुए कपड़ों को those clothes जिनको आपने बहुत बार पार्टीज में पहना है, but this time you are restyling by playing with your hair, playing with your makeup and giving an entirely different look altogether. Always buy patterns, colors and cuts which you are going to wear for a longer time. Because हम जनरली ऐसे कपड़े खरीदते हैं जिनको हम बहुत कम टाइम तक पहनते हैं. आफ्टर वेयरिंग फॉर 4-5 और अ कपल ऑफ टाइम यू फील बोर्ड अबाउट इट, बिकॉज खरीदते वक्त हमने वो थॉट दिया ही नहीं है कि हम उसको कितना पहनेंगे. सो ऑलवेज बाय थिंग्स which are everlasting, the fashion which will last forever, which you can wear for a longer period of time. Buy good quality stuff. Okay, why we buy more is that we buy stuff which is of poor quality, maybe the fabric or the material or the styling or the stitch. If it is of poor quality, आपके कुछ ही wear में वो खराब हो जाता है, color fade हो जाता है, उसका fitting, the fit becomes tampered and you don't feel like wearing them. So go for very good quality stuff. You can tailor it or you can get it from a good brand, because the good stuff where you have invested your money, you are really going to wear it for a long time. Never shop when you are very happy, never shop when you are very sad, or never shop when you are bored. These are the 3 reasons why we shop most of the time, and then we end up into our worst buys. So instead of doing this, because generally we have a tendency कि अगर हम बोर हो रहे हैं तो हम अपनी ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग साइट्स को स्क्रॉल करते हैं एंड फाइनली हम कुछ ना कुछ खरीद ही लेते हैं. सो इट्स बेटर टू फाइंड आउट डिफरेंट वेज, मोर वेज ऑफ कीपिंग yourself busy, and instead of just going out and strolling in the malls because you have a free day, you can go and watch a movie, you can go for a long drive, you can go for a nature walk, you can do so many other things except shopping. Always go shopping with a list. When you have a list with you that what are the things which you need and what you want to buy, you will always stick to the list. If you just go randomly shopping, you will not have an idea what was the purpose you came for, and you will end up buying more and more and more. Set your own limits. Always have a limit that this is the particular amount up to which I will buy this kind of dress. So if you have a limit of your shopping amount, it will always help you. Like I have my personal limits कि मुझे ज़्यादा महंगा shoe I will never go for buying. इससे ज़्यादा expensive handbag I will never buy it because I don't find worth investing in it, because I will not carry the same handbag all the time. I will keep on changing according to the occasion. So up to this limit I'm going to do my shopping. So this really helps me a lot personally, and I'm very sure it will help you too. The mantra to stop buying more is that do not scroll those online shopping websites unnecessarily. Please stop doing it. I have literally stopped doing it. Otherwise I just used to end up buying things without any need because मैं उनको scroll करती थी, कुछ पसंद आता था and I used to just buy it. So stop scrolling all those. Just go for them only when you actually need something to buy. Keep decluttering your wardrobe. It's very important. I have a rule that if one cloth in, then one cloth should be out too. बिकॉज अगर आप उसको डिस्पोज नहीं करेंगे तो आपका वार्डरोब तो एक पहाड़ बन जाएगा एंड आपको उसके अंदर कूद के जाना पड़ेगा टू फाइंड आउट व्हाट यू हैव. सो आप ऑर्गेनाइज कर ही नहीं सकते हो, इट्स इम्पॉसिबल. सो कीप ऑन डीक्लटरिंग ऑल्सो एट द सेम टाइम. डिस्पोज करते रहे. जो चीजें आपको पहननी है उनको आप रखिए. जो आपको डोनेट करना है प्लीज डोनेट इट, गिव इट टू पीपल हु एक्चुअली नीड इट. एंड द लास्ट थिंग विच आई विल से विच इज वेरी स्कैरी. यस, इट्स वेरी स्कैरी बिकॉज जब मैंने ये किया I couldn't sleep for 2 nights. I was so stressed out. So don't get stressed out. We are doing this just to change some of our habits, which are for good. Always they are for good because you become more wise when you are shopping. You become more thoughtful when you are shopping. So let me come to the last one, and that is make a list of your worst purchases till now. You will come to know how much you have actually spend on things which you are not using. So अगर आप पीछे मुड़ के देखोगे ना तो ऐसा कितना कुछ है जिसमें हमने एक बहुत बड़े अमाउंट ऑफ मनी को स्पेंड किया है just to satisfy ourselves for that little moment. वो जो buy करने की खुशी होती है, because I also am a woman. I know when we buy something we really feel as if there is something a feeling which it can't be expressed in words. So but if you do these practices you will really be able to come out of it. You will feel so free, you will feel so free, you will feel so light, you will have less things to manage, and you will always buy when you actually need it. So the things which you will buy will be your precious possessions. वो बहुत ही precious होंगे because आपने अपना बहुत सारा mind और thought देकर वो खरीदा है और आप उसको बहुत टाइम तक पहनोगे. You will explore new styling habits which will really add a new aura to your personality. So I really hope you like this video. So see you again in the next video. By the time, keep shining and keep smiling. Beautiful people all around. Thank you.